Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your computer teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, looping in Python, and in this session we'll discuss about continue statement. It's a looping control statement, or you can say jumping statement, and next we'll discuss about continue statement. Continue statement is used to skip a part of a loop on the behalf of a given condition and shift execution control to header part of a loop. That means the head part, the first statement of a loop. It always defined within a condition with a condition inside a loop. So here we are having flowchart of that represents the use of a continue statement. Uh, First we are having initialization, then condition. If condition is true, then statements will execute, and then updation, and the control move back to condition, and this one is the normal execution of a loop. If you want, if you will define continue statement inside the body of a loop, then when the continue statement will execute, it will directly shift the control back to the condition and skip the remaining statement inside the body of that loop. For example, here we are having syntax: initialization, condition, then statement 1. If the condition is true, statement 1 will execute, then this condition will check. If this condition is false, then continue statement will not execute, and the control moves to statement 2. Then after the execution of statement 2, control move back to condition, then statement 1 will execute. Then if the condition is true, then continue statement will execute, and continue statement directly shift the control from this line to condition and skip this statement at that time. So that means if you will run continue statement inside the body of a loop, it will skip the remaining statements defined inside the body of that loop and shift the control back to the conditional part of that loop. So let's demonstrate how to use continue statement in Python. So I'll run a loop starting from 1 to 5, I less than equals to 5, and I'll print a message, then I equals to I plus 1, and just check the result of this loop. It will print the value of value hello 5 times. So if you will print another statement, I'm going to write another statement by 10. Now we are having two statements, one is hello and second one is by, and if you will run this statement, this loop, then the result will be hello and by combinedly 5 times: hello by 1, hello by 2, hello by 3, hello by 4, hello by 5. Now here I'm going to define continue statement. If, and same rule is here, a continue statement must be defined by using a condition, because without using any condition, all the jumping statements or loop control statements are useless. Continue. So that means when the value of I will be 3, then the continue statement will execute and it will shift the control back to this one. So before before running this loop, just decide the result. First, the value of I is 1, then it will the condition is true, then it will print hello. Then I'll write just output here. First it will print hello, then after that I equal to I plus 1, that means the value of I is default was 1, and value of I after 1 increment by 1 is 2. 2 equal to 3, condition is false. then continue statement will not execute, then control moves to by statement, then it will print by. Then after that, control move back to the condition, the value of I is 2, condition is again true, then it will print hello. Then I equal to I plus 1, the value of I is now 3, that means this condition is now true and continue statement is going to execute. When this statement will execute, then control directly move back to the condition and skip this statement at that time and control back to the condition, the value is 3, condition is true, then it will print hello. Then I equal to I plus 1, the value of I is now 4, now 4 equal to 3, condition is false, continue statement will not execute, then print statement, it will print the value by, then control move back to this statement, 4 is less than 5, condition is again true, then it will print hello. Then I equal to I plus 1, 5, 5 equal to 3, condition is false, continue will not execute and print by, and after by the value is equal to 5, then 5 less than equal to 5, condition is again true, then it will print hello. Then condition is false, then continue statement will not execute and it will print by. Now the value of I is 6, now the condition is false and loop will exit. So in this statement, first in first iteration the loop prints hello and by one time, then after that it prints hello and here, then continue statement execute, and uh, this statement was skipped at that time, by statement, and control back to the condition at that time, and again hello print, then by 2 time, then 3 time, 4 time and 5 time. And during this statement, during the execution of these two statements, once uh, at the time of the condition was true, when I the value of I was 3, then at that time system skip this line. So that is all about how we can use continue statement. So that means the purpose of continue statement is to skip part of a loop. It will always skip the remaining statement defined inside the body of that loop. So let's run how to check the output of this loop. So I'll remove these statements and save the code and press F5. Now you can see the same output is here, hello by, then hello, by is skipped here, then again print hello and loop will continue. And so that is all about the present session. If you people are having any kind of doubt related to this session and continue statement, then you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much for watching the video.